Okay, let's learn our first two notes. Okay, let's talk about what's above my head right now. Right here, this is note number 1. It's called G, and you can see that red note. G is on the second line of the staff, the second line up. When we count, we go from bottom to top on those lines. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have my instrument up. There's no thumb. You can see that circle's open up there. So there's no thumb, and I have 1, 2, 3 fingers down. I get my embouchure, right? I get it set, and then I breathe through the corners of my mouth, and then I play that G. Why don't you play that with me? Get your saxophone all ready. Make sure your posture is nice and tall. You're not coming to the instrument and bending your neck or something weird. You got 3 fingers down. We're going to tongue the first note. Start with your tongue on the tip of the tongue to the tip of the reed. And then when we blow air, we pull the tongue away to get a nice clear start to the note. Let's play together. Let's play like a 10-second note or something. Very nice. You can see my 3 fingers are down. Also, I don't blow extremely hard. I'm not going, I'm just going nice, gentle air. If I blow too hard, it'll go, and that sounds like a cow or something weird, right? So we want a nice, smooth, steady air. Let's talk about note number 2. It's called A. And you'll notice it's just 2 fingers. Your thumb is not down, and we lift our 3rd finger up. So when you go from a G to an A, you lift 1 finger up. And you can see the red note, right? Normally notes will just be written in black, but I wrote it in red so you can see it's 1 position higher than the G was. So if the note goes up on the musical staff, what do you think the sound is going to do? If you said go up, you're correct. Let's listen to it. That's the sound of an A, my 3rd finger. Now, I didn't lift my 3rd finger way up. I have my fingers curled over the keys. I'm not having them flat like this. I don't want them like this, right? I want it just nice and curled, and I just lift that finger up. Let's play it together. Let's do a 10-second note, a long tone together. There you go. Were you matching my sound? If so, make sure you do that. Don't puff your cheeks out. No puffy cheeks. And it's fun to go back and forth between those 2 notes. You can learn to really wiggle that 3rd finger really fast. So those are the 2 notes, G and A. Memorize that. Memorize the name, memorize the fingers, and memorize where those notes are. Is it on a line or is it on a space, and which one? All right? Practice those 2 notes.